My name is Grace. I am a trumpet player with the TUMB. This is going to be my fourth year here. I am a music education major. I have 3 years of experience in DCA. In 2017 and 2018, I marched with Cadets 2, and in 2019, I marched with Fusion Corps. This exercise is called the Pushpin. We use this exercise as a way to enforce the proper way to take the first step, gain control of the body by engaging the core, exhibit an understanding of the lower body responsibilities, and maintain the authentic forward presence. This exercise consists of 3 different steps: the tendu, the toe down, and the roll step. When working our pushpins to the front, we do these 3 steps in order. When working to the back, we skip the roll step. Our steps have 3 characteristics: foot placement, body placement, and weight distribution. The tendu has a platform first placement, the body stays in its original position, and the weight stays on the back foot. The toe down has a platform first placement. The body moves to split the distance between the feet, and the weight is divided between the 2 feet. The roll step has a heel first placement. The body moves to split the distance between the feet, and the weight is divided between the 2 feet. We do these steps in this order so we can control the body as it traverses the ground ahead of it. The tendu keeps the body in place, the toe down moves the body forward, and the roll step in context will keep the body moving. Now that we know the differences between the different steps, we can begin the exercise. We do this exercise on our left foot forward, and then the right foot forward. Then it's the left foot backwards and the right foot backwards. But remember, do not do the roll step backwards. The initiation of each move starts on beat 4, and your foot comes in contact with the ground on beat 1. These are the push and the pin beats. Here are some things to keep in mind while doing the push pin exercise. Be in control of your balance. If you feel like you're losing your balance, that's alright. This shouldn't feel natural at first. Since you're stopping your momentum suddenly, remember to keep your core engaged. Be gentle with your feet. If the impact of your feet to the ground is too intense, you could cause damage to your lower body. Think about your feet landing on the ground in a controlled and purposeful way. Remember to be forward present when you return to open first. Although we need to be ready to step out in any direction when in context, our posture is always present forward. Don't lock your knees, just don't. If you need to focus your attention on the movements of your feet, put your instrument down and look at your lower body while you do this exercise. Here is the entire push pin exercise.